METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on the right platform. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there is any news concerning any pairs you want to trade or indices. Make sure you check the currency and do not trade against the news. You can use other news aggregator also, but I use Forex Factory. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I have combined these indicators together, or Forex tools, for this particular winning strategy. This strategy can be used on any time frame, but make sure you follow me closely and follow the simple rule in this video tutorial. Now let me show you how to use these simple Forex tools that I've combined together for this MetaTrader4 platform. Now we have the first indicator here is this particular indicator that turned from green to red. Yeah, green is for buy and red is a sell signal. The same indicator comes with this arrow for a confirmation. Red arrow is for sell, while green is for buy signal. This arrow confirms this bar here, because the first thing you have to look out for is this indicator. For a buy, it must change to green, and we have it here. So we have the confirmation here, and this is the right point to take this particular trade if you want to use this indicator alone, which you can, but I combine it with other indicator to filter out few fake out, and we are going to see this in action in few minutes. And for a sell also, this must change to red, then followed by red arrow. You can place your trade there for a sell, and stop loss is just going to be few pips above the previous high, as I have it here for my stop loss. And any other arrow generated by this particular indicator that is against this red bar, you are not going to take it. So these two arrows are invalid, and this is invalid, so you are not going to take this trade based on this green arrow that is against this trend. Now the second indicator I combined together is my indicator that I named TFF indicator. What I do with this particular indicator and the adjustment I have made on this particular Forex tool is this: I will not take any trade. That's why the fact that these two indicator, that is 2-in-1 indicator, agree. That is, we have the red arrow confirming this bar for a sell. I will wait for these two MA to cross and to be below this red black line before I place any trade for a sell. And if it is a buy signal, it must be, the two line must be above this black for a buy, and this is the first confirmation. Most time it might appear before this, but you have to wait for the indicators to be in agreement before you place your trade. And at this point I have the first signal here turn to red, followed by this red arrow but I have to wait and make sure these two lines, moving averages, are below this black tick line. If it is below, then this is a good setup for a sell, and that was why I placed a sell trade for this particular pairs, which is US 30 cash. And this is how to use this particular indicator. And for a buy too, it must be above, and this must be in agreement before you place your trade. This is continuation here also for another point to place a trade with this green arrow for a buy. So it's as simple as ABC, and anyone can use this particular strategy. Let us check it out on another pairs or indices. Now let me show you this Euro J that I place a trade on for a sell. You find out that we have a sell signal here generated by this indicator. So I have the two in agreement here, the bar and the arrow here, and this is below the black tick line for a sell, and this is a correct signal also. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure these two lines is above the black, the blue and the red lines are above the black line, and we have a confirmation here. Then you can place your trade. This generated the signal first here. The two lines are below the black line, followed by this arrow. Then we have confirmation here for a sell, and for another buy, this did predict it first, a buy signal followed by the arrow, then confirmation here for a buy. So this is a good combination, and you can use it on any time frame you want. It depends on what time frame you want to trade. Here is it on the 1 hour time frame. This is it on 1 hour time frame, which is against the trade I placed, but I use it on lower time frame. I just want to scalp for a few pips on US 30. So you can use it on any time frame. Just make sure you follow the simple rule. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use it on the US 30, that is on indices. You can use it on the US 100. You can use it on the any indices as long as you have it on your MT4. This can be used on the Forex pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, Great Britain pounds and Japanese yen. As many pairs as you want to trade. You can use this to trade gold also. You can use it to trade silver, and you can trade crypto with this particular strategy. All the indicators used is in my video description. The link to download it is in my video description. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. In my video description, I drop some links to these brokers, forex broker that I have used and I'm still using, and I do not have any issue using them, either depositing or withdrawing my money. It is important that you trade with regulated forex brokers, either on MT4 or MT5. Make sure you use regulated forex brokers. So this is all about this strategy, and all the indicators used is in my video description. Make sure you download it, and I did include my template so that you have the same template like mine. You do not need to adjust anything in the setting except you want to play with it. As I said earlier, make sure you check Forex Factory or any news aggregator before you place any trade. Do not forget to give me a thumb up if you really like this video. It is free, The only thing I need from you is your thumb up, and you can share this particular video too. Let other people download it for free. Till I come your way again, make sure you trade on regulated forex broker, and bye for now.